Hi, I'm Nick Hart. Today I'm going to go through using the 1-2 tool with Sorion's Sexton's process management software. First thing, you need the 1-2 configured with the open protocol. On Sexton's it's centrally configured, but we can set that up. We set in the IP address and the port number of the 1-2, and that will add it into the devices list. We've also set up a process on this system which will run through a simulated assembly process. So to kick things off, this will auto start the cycle. And now we've connected to the 1-2 and are waiting for it to read the values back. One of the things with the 1-2 is the parameter sets and batch counts that you define on the 1-2 have to match up with the numbers that you define within the process. So we're now going to do another 2 fixings. On the software you can zoom in . The open protocol takes care of overvalues, or feed it back. And at the end of the cycle the tool is disabled. From the test station the results are sent up onto the reporting server, and all the results come up and are traceable through on the system. It will capture the retries, the initial and the final values of the torques and angles undertaken, and from here you can graph different values and get all sorts of statistics from the data. This is also the central point that information would feed from here through to other MES or quality buy-off systems. That's it for a brief overview. Hopefully that was enough. Thanks very much.